This training video introduces the structure and terminology used throughout the Enforcer Smart Manufacturing software. The process engineer configures each element of the process through the software. Usually this starts by defining the site, line, and stations where the new process will reside. The site is the physical location or facility where the process will be performed. The line defines the assembly area where the process is performed. The stations are the group of workstations or test equipment required to perform all of the necessary elements. Once the physical elements are defined, the operations performed at each station are identified. Operations are the assembly steps or verification tests that assure a quality product. Once all of the required operations are defined, a router is defined. The router shows the order of the operations and the requirements to move from one operation to the next. Each router may consist of several router paths. Variations of similar products may require different operations in their production process. Defining different router paths provides the ability to handle these product variations. Recipes provide the process parameters necessary to verify a product attribute. This example of a fidget spinner assembly line uses a recipe parameter to verify the spin rate of the device. If the measured RPM of the spinner is below the recipe value of 600 RPM, the device has failed. Recipe parameters can be defined at the router level and the operation level. The part data feature provides the ability to define and store process results. Part data can be user-entered data, values from smart devices, test equipment results, and more. Part data can be stored at the router level and the operation level. The process coordinator provides the ability to define the required details for each operation. This includes defining how the user interacts with the station, defining the station that performs the operation, defining the work instructions, hardware configuration, and many other configuration details. This was a quick overview of the software terminology. For details on any of these topics, refer to the software training videos on our website.